Ever spent hours writing a LinkedIn post, hit publish, and seen it just disappear into thin air? Meanwhile, another hasty, off-the-cuff post somehow goes viral? It's not luck. It's not coincidence. It's AI. LinkedIn's algorithm is a clever system that decides who sees your post, when, and why. This week's deep dive explores just how LinkedIn's AI decides to prioritize your content, right from the moment you hit post to whether or not it goes viral and gets lost. Let's step back. LinkedIn used to be a job board and career resume database. It was all corporate gossip and career changes. But today, it's a full-fledged content website with thought leadership, videos, carousels, and even memes. To manage this onslaught of content, LinkedIn relies on AI-driven algorithms, namely machine learning, natural language processing, and engagement-based ranking models. These models not just determine what is seen, they shape what kind of content is produced. When you click post, your content undergoes a multi-step journey behind the scenes. Here's a very simplified explanation of what happens. Spam and safety filter. LinkedIn initially performs spam, hate speech, and off-topic content checks. That includes AI-driven content classification models. Any suspicious content gets blocked immediately or flagged for review. Two-bot quality analysis. Then LinkedIn's AI reviews structure, grammar, clarity, and format. Craptastic updates, huge walls of text, or meandering griping can quietly get deprioritized. 3. Test audience exposure. Your update is shown to a small group of connections. It's like a test drive. 4. Performance scoring. The algorithm then scores your update on early engagement, likes, comments, dwell time. If it scores well, it gets shown to more people. Not? It quietly dies. Now let's break down the engagement signals the AI is tracking. They're weighted differently, but they all bear on your post getting seen. Dwell time. How long users read your post, even if they don't like or comment. It's silent but potent. Likes and reactions. Simple but potent, especially when they're coming from high-authority users or top industry professionals. Comments. The golden ticket. In-depth, long, and varied comments declare value loud and clear. Shares and reposts. They expose your content to individuals outside of your first-degree connections. Saves and link clicks, especially useful for educational posts or external articles. The algorithm does not just sum up these signals, it looks at engagement quality. A 15-comment post with good discussion can trump a 100-like post. This is where things get smart. LinkedIn builds a relevance model with AI to decide who should see your post, even beyond your followers. This is powered by your social graph. Who you've been engaging with recently, who's in your industry, what you're following, who's interacted with similar ones. For example, if you are a fintech expert sharing AI banking, LinkedIn will make your post visible to users in industries that surround yours, but are not directly part of your closest network, e.g., finance, data science, or SaaS. This is how virality on LinkedIn typically starts, with topic-driven amplification, not following number. Content types aren't equal. LinkedIn's AI-driven algorithm tendentially shows content that drives most time spent on platform, especially text-only posts with good hooks, carousel posts, multi-image slides, native videos posted natively, not external YouTube links, polls that generate conversation. What does LinkedIn deprioritize? External links in the first few paragraphs, too promotional or self-promotional posts with zero engagement in the first 90 minutes. Different types of content drive various engagement patterns, and the AI learns what works best by your audience. Let's contrast two real-world examples. Post A long, introspective story of professional failure and lessons learned. It used spacing, emojis, an explicit hook, and ended with a question. Result: 120 comments, 50K views, and reposts by people outside the initial community. Post B, a link to a business blog post without caption. Result: 14 views, 2 likes. Why the difference? One was appealing to the algorithm's strengths. The other didn't even stand a chance. Now, here's how to fuel the algorithm and get the most out of your post visibility. Start with a hook. Those first 2 lines are key. They determine whether people click, see more. Write for engagement, not performance. Pose questions. Ask them to discuss. Make it specific and personal. Format with purpose. Line breaks, emojis, and white space help people skim. That increases dwell time. Tag relevant people, modestly. Tagging voices of your industry can drive high-quality engagement. Don't spam. Use hashtags strategically. Use 3-5 and make niche-specific, e.g., #AI ethics, not #tech. Don't include external links in the first 3 lines or place them in the comments instead. LinkedIn downranks off-platform clicks. Respond back. Commenting back notifies the algorithm that your post is still active. This can cause it to live for days longer. LinkedIn is quietly becoming one of the most advanced AI-driven content platforms in the world. They're introducing AI post-drafting tools, automated headline and summary generation, real-time content performance prediction, creator insights for trending topics. Whether you're a job applicant, an entrepreneur, or a writer, knowing how the algorithm behaves is now a professional benefit. So next time you post on LinkedIn, remember this: you're not just talking to humans. You're communicating with a sophisticated AI machine sorting your words in real time. If this video demystified LinkedIn's algorithm a little, give that like button a click, subscribe to the algorithm effect, and let us know in the comments what you'd like us to take apart next. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, on LinkedIn, your post is your pitch. But AI is the gatekeeper.